Varadero sits on one of the Caribbean's most famous stretches of sand, and the Grand Aston Varadero Beach Resort operates under the Aston Hotels International umbrella with a 5-star classification. Here's something you won't hear in most resort videos. This property offers a 24-hour front desk, which sounds basic until you've landed on a delayed flight at 2 in the morning and need someone to sort out your room, arrange a late meal, or fix a booking issue that can't wait until business hours. One guest specifically called out this feature as being worth it alone, and when you're traveling internationally to an island destination where logistics can get complicated, that round-the-clock access becomes more valuable than it sounds on paper. The resort also restocks your in-room fridge daily with soda, beer, and water, plus offers concierge services exclusive to guests, which means you're not just getting a room key and a map. You're getting someone who can actually help you navigate the area, book excursions, and handle the kind of trip planning details that can eat up your vacation time if you're doing it all yourself. The room setup at Grand Aston Varadero includes daily fridge restocking, which is a detail that matters more than it might seem at first glance. When you're dealing with Caribbean heat and spending full days at the beach or exploring, coming back to cold drinks without having to trek to a lobby bar or convenience store is the kind of convenience that compounds over a week-long stay. The fridge gets stocked with beer, soda, and water, so you're covered whether you want something cold and alcoholic after a day in the sun, or just need to stay hydrated without rationing bottled water like you're on a camping trip. This isn't a minibar situation where you're paying per item and doing mental math every time you reach for a Coke. It's included, it's daily, and it removes one of those small friction points that can make a resort feel more like a hotel where you're constantly being nickel and dimed. The rooms also come with access to concierge services that are described as exclusive, which suggests a level of personalized attention beyond the standard front desk interaction. Whether you need restaurant reservations, transportation arrangements, or advice on which beaches are worth the trip and which ones are tourist traps, having someone whose job is to make your stay smoother is the kind of amenity that doesn't show up in photos but makes a tangible difference in how your trip actually unfolds. Because detailed descriptions of specific room categories, square footage, bed configurations, or design elements aren't available, we can't walk through the differences between standard rooms, suites, or specialty accommodations. What we do know is that the daily fridge restock and concierge access apply across the board, which means even the entry-level rooms come with perks that elevate the experience beyond just a place to sleep. In many resorts, the base rooms get the bare minimum while upgraded tiers get all the attention. But when core conveniences like stocked fridges and concierge support are standard, it suggests the property is treating all guests with a baseline level of care rather than reserving hospitality for the people who booked the priciest suites. The dining and bar scene at Grand Aston Varadero isn't detailed in the available information, so we can't walk through specific restaurant names, cuisine types, or signature dishes. What we can say is that the property operates as a resort with included amenities, and the fridge restocking with beer and soda suggests there's an emphasis on keeping guests comfortable without constant trips to purchase basics. In a destination like Varadero, where you're often choosing between all-inclusive resorts and properties where every meal and drink adds up quickly, knowing that at least some beverages are handled daily in your room gives you a clearer picture of what your actual out-of-pocket costs will look like during your stay. If the resort does offer on-site dining, the combination of in-room drinks and restaurant options would mean you can mix convenience with variety, grabbing a cold beer from your fridge before heading out to explore or winding down in your room without needing to make a production out of every refreshment. Varadero is famous for its beaches, and while specific details about the Grand Aston's pool facilities, beach access, and waterfront setup aren't available, the resort's location in Varadero means it's positioned in one of Cuba's premier beach destinations. The town itself is built on the Hicacos Peninsula, a narrow strip of land with white sand beaches running along both sides, so proximity to the ocean is a given for properties in this area. What separates a good beach resort from a mediocre one often comes down to logistics. Whether you have to reserve lounge chairs at dawn, whether towels are plentiful or rationed, whether the beach is actually swimmable or just scenic, and whether there's shade when you need a break from the sun. These specifics aren't confirmed for Grand Aston Varadero, but the fact that the resort offers daily fridge restocking and 24-hour front desk service suggests an operational philosophy focused on reducing guest friction, which typically extends to beach and pool management as well. Activities and recreational options at the resort aren't detailed in the available research, so we can't outline specific programs, water sports, fitness facilities, or entertainment schedules. What we do know is that the concierge services are described as exclusive, which implies they're actively involved in helping guests plan activities both on-site and off-property. In a destination like Varadero, that could mean anything from arranging snorkeling trips and catamaran excursions to booking tour of Havana, or setting up visits to local cigar factories and rum distilleries. The value of a good concierge isn't just in handing you a brochure, it's in knowing which operators are reliable, which tour are worth the time, and which experiences are better done independently versus with a guide. Spa and wellness facilities aren't covered in the available information, so we can't describe treatment menus, massage options, fitness centers, or wellness programming. If the resort does offer spa services, it would fit the 5-star classification and the overall approach to guest comfort, but without confirmed details, we're not going to speculate on what might be available. Family-friendly facilities and kids' clubs aren't mentioned in the research, so we can't detail children's programs, supervised activities, or age-specific amenities. The resort's focus on concierge services and in-room conveniences suggests it caters to a range of travelers, but whether that includes dedicated kids' programming or family-oriented entertainment isn't something we can confirm from the available information. Nearby attractions in the broader Varadero context aren't detailed in the research provided, so we can't map out specific landmarks, day trip options, or cultural sites within easy reach of the resort. Varadero itself is known for its beaches in proximity to Havana, which is about a 2-hour drive west, making it feasible to combine a beach resort stay with urban exploration, colonial architecture, and the kind of cultural experiences Cuba is famous for. The concierge services at Grand Aston would logically play a role in helping guests navigate these options, but without specific information about partnerships, tour packages, or recommended itineraries, we're limited in what we can say with certainty. Keeping it real, the research available is unusually sparse, with only a handful of confirmed details. That means we're working with a limited picture of what the Grand Aston Varadero actually offers beyond the 24-hour front desk, daily fridge restocking, and exclusive concierge services. The single guest quote available highlights these features positively, but we don't have access to overall review scores, rating breakdowns, or common complaints that would give us a balanced view of where the property excels and where it might fall short. In situations like this, it's worth approaching your booking with specific questions for the hotel directly. Ask about room categories, dining options, beach access, and any amenities that matter to your trip. The lack of detailed information online doesn't necessarily mean the resort is lacking. It could just as easily mean their digital presence isn't as robust as their on-site experience, but it does mean you'll want to do more legwork up front to make sure the property matches your expectations. What makes Grand Aston Varadero stand out, based on the limited but specific information we have, is the combination of 24-hour front desk availability and daily in-room restocking. These aren't flashy features, but they're the kind of operational details that separate a smoothly run resort from one where small inconveniences pile up and erode your vacation mood. The 24-hour front desk is especially valuable in a destination like Cuba, where travel logistics can be less predictable than in more heavily touristed Caribbean islands. Flights get delayed, excursions run late, and having someone available to help at any hour means you're not stuck waiting until morning to resolve an issue or get assistance. The daily fridge restock with beer, soda, and water is another example of thoughtful hospitality that removes friction. You're not rationing drinks, you're not making constant trips to a store or bar, and you're not doing the mental accounting that comes with minibar pricing. It's a small luxury that adds up over the course of a stay, and it signals that the resort is thinking about guest comfort in practical, everyday terms rather than just investing in showy amenities that look good in photos but don't improve your actual experience. The value breakdown here is tricky because we don't have pricing information, package details, or specifics about what's included in the room rate versus what costs extra. The daily fridge restocking suggests some level of inclusive service, but without knowing whether meals, activities, or other amenities are bundled, it's hard to calculate the real cost of a stay or compare it to other Varadero resorts. If you're evaluating this property, ask directly about what's included in your rate, whether there are all-inclusive options, and how additional services like dining, spa treatments, and excursions are priced. The presence of exclusive concierge services could add value if they help you avoid tourist traps and find experiences that would otherwise require hours of research, but that value is hard to quantify without knowing how those services are delivered and whether they come with additional fees. Events and conference facilities aren't mentioned in the available research, so if you're planning a wedding, corporate retreat, or group event, you'll need to reach out to the hotel directly for information about meeting spaces, capacity, and services. Guest experience highlights from the available information center on the 24-hour front desk and daily fridge restocking, both called out specifically by a guest as valuable features. The fact that a traveler took the time to mention the front desk availability as being worth it alone suggests it made a tangible difference in their stay, likely because they encountered a situation where having round-the-clock assistance mattered. That kind of specific, unprompted praise is often more telling than generic 5-star reviews because it points to a real moment where the hotel's operations exceeded expectations or solved a problem that could have derailed the trip. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.